Are you looking for the best porch swings to relax in outdoors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best porch swings to relax in outdoors. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Esright Outdoor Patio Swing Chair. The Esright Outdoor Patio Swing Chair is a solid patio swing at an affordable price. It touts high-density fabric that resists moisture and rain. Its solid springs can withstand up to 450 pounds of weight. The cushions are comfortably padded, and there are non-slip foot pads attached to ensure your swing chair is always stable. You can adjust the Esright Porch Swings canopy to deflect sunlight and rain. It only takes an hour to install with a friend or family member, so that isn't too troublesome. And because it comes in black, it really should be able to match any outdoor decor you're sporting. Moving on at number 4, we have the Backyard Discovery Farmhouse Cedar Porch Swing. The Backyard Discovery Farmhouse Cedar Porch Swing is one of the best-looking wooden porch swings you'll find. It has a great rustic look to it that should fit just about anywhere. The strong cedar construction can host a weight capacity of up to 600 pounds. The porch swing comes pre-drilled and pre-cut to make assembly easier. And it uses the Built app to put it together, making the process as smooth as possible. At number 3, we have the POLYWOOD Vineyard 60-inch swing. The POLYWOOD Vineyard 60-inch porch swing is high on our list for a reason. It looks fantastic and is offered in black, green, mahogany, sand, slate gray, teak, and a clean white. And the recycled lumber that POLYWOOD utilizes promises no rot, chipping, or cracking. All while also being resistant to bugs, stains, salt spray, and more. At over 60 inches in length, it seats quite a few people. It comes with commercial-grade stainless steel hardware for superb stability. And the product is backed by POLYWOOD's 20-year limited warranty to give you peace of mind. At number 2, we have the Best Choice Products 3-Seat Outdoor Large Converting Canopy Swing Glider. This 3-seat converting canopy swing glider from Best Choice Products is one of the best patio swings you'll find on the market. Because it's convertible, you can utilize it in either chair or flatbed form. It's designed to hold up to outdoor elements as it features a polyester canopy and cushions for weather resistance. And a steel frame that's powder-coated to defend against the elements too. The swing glider is pretty large, boasting 3 seats and a 750-pound weight limit. A tilt system is built into the canopy, allowing you to adjust it up to 45 degrees as to avoid sunlight or rain. And it should match your home's exterior well, as it's available in red, beige, brown, gray, and navy. And finally at number 1, we have the Purple Leaf 3-Seat Deluxe Outdoor Patio Porch Swing. Purple Leaf's 3-Seat Deluxe Outdoor Patio Porch Swing certainly lives up to its Deluxe labeling. The outdoor swing chair is 74 inches wide to easily seat 3. Its steel frame is powder-coated to be rust-resistant and is strong enough to hold up to 750 pounds. Cushions are included, available in beige, navy blue, terra, and turquoise blue, and are comprised of a UV-resistant polyester fabric that's comfortable, breathable and water-resistant too. Same for the canopy above, which you can adjust to counteract the sun. Foldable tables rest on each side of the patio swing chair. And there's built-in solar lighting as well that allows for nighttime reading and other activities. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.